Today is 29th June. This is your daily dose of startup stories. Let's find out what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Rocklimber is leveraging authenticity and quality to penetrate India's beverage market. By emphasizing these aspects, the company aims to differentiate itself in a competitive industry landscape. This strategic focus on delivering genuine and high-quality products underlines Rocklimber's commitment to meeting consumer expectations while carving out a distinct brand identity. With India's beverage sector experiencing rapid growth and evolving consumer preferences, Rocklimber's approach highlights its intent to resonate with discerning customers seeking premium offerings in the market. Hypergrow AI uses artificial intelligence to enhance marketing efficiency and precision targeting. The company utilizes AI technologies to optimize marketing strategies, aiming to streamline operations and maximize impact. By leveraging advanced algorithms and data analytics, Hypergrow AI enhances campaign effectiveness, ensuring tailored messaging and precise audience engagement. This approach underscores Hypergrow AI's commitment to driving results-driven marketing solutions in a dynamic business environment. With AI-driven insights shaping their strategies, Hypergrow AI positions itself at the forefront of innovation, catering to the evolving needs of marketers seeking scalable and data-driven approaches to achieve business objectives. Finest now holds a majority stake in Bangalore-based cloud kitchen startup KitchenZat. The board at KitchenZat has passed a special resolution to issue 40 lakhs equity shares, 3,000 rupees each, to raise 1,200 crore rupees or $145 million. Its regulatory filing sourced from the Registrar of Companies shows. Founded in 2018, KitchenZat provides turnkey solutions to F&B brands to expand their presence with end-to-end services, including infrastructure, technology, and operations services, among others. It works with multiple food brands including Domino's, Subway, Taco Bell, Nando's, Chicken, and national chains such as ITC, Mainland China, and Barbecue Nation. Nodwin plans to acquire Freaks4U Gaming, a German gaming company, in a deal valued at 271 crore rupees. This acquisition marks Nodwin's strategic move to expand its presence in the global gaming market. By integrating Freaks4U Gaming's expertise and resources, Nodwin aims to strengthen its position as a key player in esports and gaming entertainment worldwide. Upgrad has raised 287.5 crore rupees in debt from Singapore-headquartered Evolution X Debt Capital. Founded in 2015 by Ronnie Screwvala, Mayank Kumar, and Falgun Kompalli, Upgrad operates across various educational sectors encompassing test preparation,